Hello students, as we have just finished chapter 13 about their surface area and volumes. Now it's time to do an activity based on surface areas and volume. Students, as you can see, I have collected so many geometrical shapes from my house. Here you can see these are cubical shapes and these all are cuboidal shapes and these are cylindrical shapes, spherical shapes, and this is hemispherical shape. Right? As you have learned their formulas for finding their surface area and volume, so we will do an art integrated project based on them. Right? In this project, what you have to do? You have to draw their two-dimensional figure of different shapes on A4 sheet or on a chart paper, and you have to measure their dimensions and you have to calculate their surface areas and volume. Okay, now let's start from this cubical box. This is cubical box. For finding its surface area and volume, what I require here, I need to find its one side only, as all sides of this cubical box are equal. Let's start. Side of this cube is 12 centimeters. So we can find its lateral surface area and volume easily. After this, we can draw its figure like this and note down its measurement and find total surface area, lateral surface area and its volume. In the same way, we will do in cuboidal shape. These are cuboidal shape. Let's take this one. Now we need to find its three dimensions here, which are length, breadth and height. Length of this cuboidal box is 11.5 and breadth of this cuboidal box is 6 and height is 4.5. After finding its length, breadth and height, we can calculate easily its lateral surface area, total surface area and its volume. Okay. Now come to this cylindrical shapes. Let's take this one. In this, we need to find its radius and height for finding its surface area and volume, right? We can find its height easily. There is no problem in finding its height. It is 9 centimeter, right? But for finding its radius, what I have to do? First, I have to calculate its circumference. Circumference of this cylindrical object. After that, we can calculate its radius. Here, its circumference is 32 centimeter. We will measure like this. Now it is 32. So what is the formula for the circumference? 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 32. After solving this equation, we can find the value of radius here. Okay. In the same way, we can find surface area and volume for conical shapes also. Now come to spherical shape. In this, we have to measure only one dimension. What is it? It is radius, right? For this, we have to find its radius. And then again, question is how we will find its radius. Now again, we have to find its circumference like this. Its circumference is 40 centimeter. Okay. Then again, put the formula 2 pi r is equal to 40. After solving it, we can get its radius, and after that we can find its total surface area and volume, right? And in the same way we can do for hemispherical objects, students. Okay. Now, my dear students, you have to take 3 objects of any geometrical shape from your house as I have shown you. Okay. And you have to measure its dimension like this, find out, and you have to find its surface area and volume as I have done. Okay. Now record this activity and send me the video, and video duration should be of 1 minute only. Okay. After this, you have to draw two-dimensional shapes taken by you on A4 sheet or on a chart paper, as whatever you want. Okay, like this. Write down the measurements here, and you have to find its total surface area, lateral surface area, and volume. Also, you have to send your one photo with your project held in your hands like this. Okay, thank you.